Hey, come on, Jake.
I can't watch Word Girl.
Come on, Jake. Word girl.
Yeah.
Come on, you coming down the steps? You turn around. Good boy. I may not be saying a lot, but I can certainly do a lot. 18 months old. Come on. Good job. Very sturdy. Yeah, careful. You have a couple more to go. There you go. What are you going to do? One more. Come on. Hi, Mommy. Good job, Jake.